Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. This video is going to be focusing on the Thinkware Q800 Pro dash camera that we've added in to this motorhome. We've done loads of other upgrades to this particular vehicle, so feel free to check those out on our YouTube channel, but also live on our website as well under the motorhome section under products and services. So we do absolutely loads of systems for motorhomes. We work on a consultation basis, so we can sit down with you and decide exactly how you want things spec'd and where you want products placed. In this particular system, customer came in to us looking for quite a few multiple of upgrades, and what we've added in as part of that is the Thinkware Q800 Pro dash camera. What this dash camera allows you to do is view all your footage directly from an application on your phone. That's Android as well as iPhone. You can download that at any time, it's completely free of charge, and you can see some of the features that you're going to be getting from that service. As well as also on the Thinkware website, as well as on our website, we've got all the tech specs of the actual dash camera itself. If you're interested in getting something like this installed, feel free to get in touch with our team. Our workshop facilities in Cambridge can host multiple of motorhomes inside it, so we have loads of room for you and your vehicle. So feel free to get in touch, and we can actually work on your vehicle inside, indoors, all nice and securely. So this dash camera basically allows us 2K image quality from the front camera, and you can also add in an extra battery to the system to allow it not to drain off your vehicle's battery, but to add in a separate battery so it records while the vehicle is parked. This customer just opted to go for the straightforward, just straight into live recording while they're driving along. It's mostly for insurance purposes, but also just peace of mind. If you do have an accident on your journey, wherever you are in the world, you can have the footage, it's clear as anything, and there's no disputing who was at fault at the accident. So a really high-end, nice looking camera. It's all neatly tucked away, still leaving full functionality of the blind on the front of this motorhome, which goes all the way across the front windscreen. And it would still be recording if you had the parking mode facility turned on. This customer is going to be collecting their vehicle shortly, and what we're going to be doing is running through exactly how the dash camera works, and we'll set it all up with them so they're nice and happy with the system. We'll also download the application onto your phone and teach you how to use the application, because here at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio, we like to explain things to you in a lot of detail as we can. The reason for that is because at the end of the day, you have to use the equipment. It's one thing us knowing it, but you as a customer also need to know it. So we run you through that, and we take our time to run you through that as well. So we'd just like to thank you for watching this very short video to give you a bit of an idea of what the Thinkware Q800 Pro dash camera looks like on this specific motorhome. If you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with our team, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with the latest videos of what we're doing. Thank you.